My name is Hannah, and this is my final presentation on the Minneapolis Police Reports. The agenda here today is to discuss the Minneapolis police incidents, go through my visualizations from Tableau, and then look at the dashboard I created and end with my conclusion. The Minneapolis police incidents here we'll go through. I have gathered case number, precinct, report date, report time, the offense, as well as the neighborhood that these all took place in. The visualizations I will see next I will go through is the number of incidents per offense, the begin time of the offense, the number of offense per incident, as well as the number of each incident, and then the count of incidents per report date. So here, starting with the number of incidents per offense, you can see that auto theft is the biggest square, meaning that it has the highest number. It's at 4,678. Within that offense, the next one you can see is theft, burglary, and so forth. The boxes get smaller as there are a lower number of them. The next one here is the begin time of offense, looking at, again, here on auto theft in the middle here, starting at 1900, 1901. These things are taking time. Things are taking place at every top of the hour, every minute, all over the place. Again, just notice I want to point out here that auto theft does have the biggest chunks, so that means that's happening the most. The number of offenses per precinct. So here you can see some of the precincts at 45,000 around there. The biggest section of my graph here is auto theft. The sum of the precincts that have and deal with auto theft each day is there's 15,997 offenses per the precinct there. As well as you can see, each color represents a different offense. The next one here is number of each incident. So just going through, this one's a high level one, like shoplifting, there was 283 of them. Online theft, other theft, vehicle theft, pocket picking, robbery, automobile theft is there. You can see again the highest at 4,678. Number of incidents of each offense in each neighborhood. So here, looking at this, we can see the offense here on the left with the neighborhood on the top. So in this picture over here, you have downtown. You can see like pocket picking, there was not any within this time frame. Shoplifting one. If we go back to this first graph here, auto theft again as the unidentified is one, and then your Bancalf, Bell Marini, Bantu, Bryant, I don't know the names of these cities, but you can see that here it's 25, 47, 17. You can definitely see also right here, probably Cedar Ridge, it's at 109. We do have overall theft down here in downtown at 234. So theft is very common within Minneapolis PD. The counts of incidents per report date. So the report dates are on the bottom as it goes day by one day at a time, January 1st, 2nd, 3rd, so forth. And then the second graph we skip to February 9th through March 10th. You can see here counts of incidents. Bunch of the circles means there's obviously more happening at that number of them. The description here that this bullet point I'm clicked on is the burglary of dwelling. So that's reported date as January 6th, 2023. And then there was 3 of those that day. So this one's very interesting to look at based on how many incidents took place each day. And as you can see, a few of them, again, also have a bunch of dots compared to some of the other ones, meaning some of the other dates and weekends or off nights might be more popular than others. The dashboard here that I created is the number of each incident, each offense in each neighborhood. That's at the top. Bottom left is count of incident per report, which I just went through, and then our number of incidents per office, which the bigger the square, the more happens. My conclusion, next steps is that Minneapolis PD should look at this data and see that the auto theft is a major issue within that Minneapolis region, thus putting more police presence on the roads as well as just driving through neighborhoods. I know right now they don't want to pull anyone over, get in trouble, or not get in trouble, but cause any more harm than they need to it. They're not like down there. So I think they're trying to hang low, but based on these numbers, they need to get out there, show their face, show the people that they are there watching and that what they're doing is wrong and they can't continue to do it. Interesting trends, as I mentioned, again, auto theft is our main one here. Through every dashboard, you can see that that is the highest number, as well as in that downtown area. It did have the highest number of incidents based on other surrounding cities. My predictions are here that, I mean, like any other data set you look at, the auto theft is continuing to go up. I would say the same here. Auto theft is very high, as well as other theft. A lot of homelessness in Minneapolis. So assuming people are taking things that aren't theirs or taking things that they can't afford, same thing. But prediction there is theft to continue staying up. And then I also would say again, increase the police presence downtown. In my references, I use Tableau and then the data set that you provided me as well to make this presentation. And then thank you. And thank you again for a great semester. And I hope you have a great little break here before the school year starts. And I'm sure you're teaching another class. So, but if not, have a good day.